The elixir of life may not be real, but there is something that comes close. Baking soda, with its antifungal, alkaline and anti-inflammatory properties, comes close enough to the elixir of life.
Wow!
Okay, maybe not. But when it comes to home remedies, baking soda is your best friend. Today, we'll be talking about some little ways baking soda can make a big difference in your healthcare. You will not believe the wonders baking soda can do for your muscles and your kidney, so stay tuned. Starting things off at number 20 on the list is reducing body odor. Baking soda absorbs moisture, balances the pH level, and prevents odor-producing microorganisms from thriving. A baking soda paste can be made with water and applied under the arms or added to bath water to freshen up and eliminate body odor. It's a natural and effective solution for body odor. The next at number 19 is soothe sore throat. Baking soda can soothe a sore throat by neutralizing the acids and reducing inflammation. Mix a quarter to half teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 to 60 seconds before spitting it out. You can do this 4 times a day, no more. It can also be added to hot tea with honey for added relief. We've got at number 18, a good relaxing foot soak. Baking soda can remove dead skin cells, soften rough skin, and reduce foot odor. To use, simply add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda to warm water in a basin, soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse and dry thoroughly. For a better time, add some Epsom salts or essential oil to the water, which can reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and leave your feet feeling soft like a baby's skin. Regular use of baking soda foot soak may also help prevent foot fungus and other infections. That brings us to number 17, sunburn relief. To use baking soda for sunburn relief, mix half a cup of baking soda in a bathtub filled with lukewarm water and soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Or you can mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda in a cup of cold water and apply it to the affected area with a soft cloth or sponge. This can help cool down the skin and reduce the burning sensation. At number 16, something that many of us just ignore: insect bites. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with enough water to create a paste and apply it to the affected area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. It's a simple and natural way to relieve the discomfort of pesky insect bites. Next up, we look at hair clarifiers at number 15. Use baking soda to remove excess oil, product buildup, and hard water minerals from your hair. It also restores pH balance and promotes hair growth. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of warm water and apply to wet hair. Massage for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse, and follow up with a conditioner or apple cider vinegar rinse. Don't use it too often or in high concentrations. At number 14, something nobody likes to talk about: canker sores. Baking soda reduces inflammation and pain and promotes faster healing. To use, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water and swish in your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds before spitting. Or apply a paste of baking soda and water directly to the sore with a cotton swab and watch the magic happen. Number 13 is about better oral health. Take care of your mouth with baking soda. It will neutralize acids produced by mouth bacteria, reduce the risk of cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Sprinkle a small amount on your toothbrush or mix it with water to create a paste. This helps remove surface stains, freshens your mouth, and promotes overall oral health. But don't make it a substitute for regular brushing, flossing, and professional dental care. Next, we have baking soda for relieving itchy skin at number 12. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons in a bathtub or create a paste and apply it directly to the affected area. This can soothe and calm the skin, reducing redness, dryness, and itching. But for severe or persistent skin conditions, consult with a healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis and treatment. At number 11, we have baking soda for exfoliation. Baking soda's abrasiveness makes it good for exfoliation and face scrubs. To use baking soda for exfoliation, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water to make a paste. Then apply in a gentle circular motion to your face or body. Rinse with warm water and follow up with moisturizer. Or you can mix it with your regular facial cleanser or body wash for added exfoliation. Use it no more than twice a week to avoid skin irritation. Why get a massage when you can use baking soda? At number 10, we have relieving sore muscles. The alkaline properties of baking soda can help reduce inflammation and neutralize the buildup of lactic acid that causes muscle soreness. To use baking soda, mix half a cup in a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Or mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it directly to sore muscles. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. This can reduce muscle soreness, stiffness, and inflammation. Number 9. Natural shoe deodorant. Put baking soda in an old sock or sprinkle it on your shoes. Why? For removing foot odor from shoes. But do not use this on leather or suede shoes. The baking soda can damage these materials. It's advised to also wash your feet regularly to prevent foot odor. At number 8, we'll be talking about using baking soda to alleviate the symptoms of UTIs. Baking soda can help with the symptoms of a urinary tract infection such as pain and frequent urination. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it once a day, but not more than once. As baking soda can only reduce symptoms, if symptoms persist, please visit the nearest hospital. Number 7. Did you know baking soda can help your digestion? Baking soda can ease acid reflux or indigestion symptoms by neutralizing stomach acid. Mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink slowly. Avoid excessive use as it can interfere with natural stomach acid balance and cause other health issues. Number 6 is relief from constipation. A little baking soda can neutralize stomach acid and help you pass gas or burp. It can also draw water into your digestive system. To use baking soda for constipation relief, mix 1 teaspoon in a quarter cup of warm water and drink it quickly. Don't use more than 1 or 2 spoons and just once. Too much baking soda can lead to electrolyte imbalances. Number 5. Alleviating cold and flu symptoms. One of the ways baking soda can help with colds and coughs is by acting as an expectorant. An expectorant is a substance that helps loosen mucus, making it easier to cough up and clear from the airways. Baking soda can work in this way by alkalizing mucus, helping to break it down and make it easier to expectorate. Baking soda can reduce acidity in the throat, inflammation, and also clear nasal congestions. All are symptoms of colds and flu. To use baking soda for cold and flu relief, try one of the following methods. Method 1. Salt water gargle. Mix a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a quarter teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle the solution for 15 to 30 seconds and spit it out. Repeat several times a day to help soothe a sore throat. Method 2 is nasal irrigation. Mix a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a quarter teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Using a neti pot or a bulb syringe, gently irrigate the nasal passages with the solution to help relieve congestion and sinus pressure. And the last is steam inhalation. Boil a pot of water and remove it from the heat. Add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and stir. Drape a towel over your head and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes to help relieve congestion and promote relaxation. That brings us to number 4. Whitening and cleaning nails. How? Well, baking soda is a natural soft abrasive with antifungal properties. To use baking soda for nail whitening and cleaning, try the following method. Create a paste. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to create a paste. Apply the paste to your nails. Use a toothbrush or a nail brush to apply the paste to your nails, focusing on any areas with stains or discoloration. Let it sit. Allow the paste to sit on your nails for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse the paste off with warm water and dry your nails. Moisturize. Apply a moisturizing cream or oil to your nails and cuticles to help keep them healthy and hydrated. You can repeat this process once a week to help keep your nails looking clean and bright. Number 3. Baking soda can be useful in removing fridge odor. It works by absorbing unpleasant smells and neutralizing them, just as in your shoes. Try this. Place an open box or container of baking soda in your fridge and leave it there for a few days. You can also make a baking soda sachet by placing some baking soda in a small muslin bag or old sock and hanging it in the fridge. Remember to replace the baking soda every 1 to 3 months to ensure continued effectiveness. At number 2, we're talking about fighting fungal infections. Baking soda's acidity reduction properties neutralize the acidic environment in which fungal infections thrive, while its antifungal properties kill the fungus responsible for the infection. To use baking soda for fungal infection relief, try one of the following methods. Method 1. Soaking your feet. Add half a cup of baking soda to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Dry your feet thoroughly and repeat twice a day. Method 2. As a powder mix for your skin. Mix equal parts of baking soda and cornstarch or arrowroot powder and apply the mixture to affected areas of the skin. Repeat twice a day to help reduce the symptoms of fungal infections. And lastly, as a paste for your skin and nails. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Apply the paste to affected areas of the skin or nails and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Repeat twice a day to reduce the symptoms of toenail fungus. And that brings us to number 1 on our list, kidney support. Baking soda can be used to reduce the risk of kidney stones and support the proper acid-base balance in the body. To use baking soda for kidney health, try one of the following methods. Drink baking soda water. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of water and drink it once a day to help support proper acid-base balance in the body. Use baking soda in cooking. Adding small amounts of baking soda to meals can help balance the pH levels in the body and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Baking soda bath. Adding 1 or 2 cups of baking soda to a warm bath can help detoxify the body. Thank you for tuning in to Body Care Guru. If you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did making it for you, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to check out other helpful videos from us, like the one showing on your screen right now. We'll see you in the next video.